Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I'm here to teach you basic, easy and beautiful techniques of makeup. Wedding season is going on, so I thought of doing this super cute, easy party or wedding makeup tutorial for you. So without further ado, let's begin. First, prep your skin with a moisturizer, and here I'm using Olay Day Cream Moisturizer. It's very important to keep your skin hydrated before doing any kind of makeup. And now here, I'm setting my eyebrow hair with a spoolie. Just comb through them like this. I'll be doing my eyebrows now. And you can find a detailed technique of how to do your eyebrows on my channel. I'll be putting the link in description box. And now take an eye primer or a simple primer and a flat brush like this, and here I'm using the Ordinary's high adherence silicone primer, and just apply on your eyelids. And after that, I'll be applying my foundation, and here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless 250 Sun Beige. Take a flat brush and apply on your eyelids like this. A flat brush helps you in spreading the product or your foundation evenly on your surface area. And now I'm blending it with a damp sponge. You can see the difference. And now we will be applying our concealer, and here I'm using Rimmel London's Lasting Radiance shade 050 Nude. Just apply this on your eyelid and blend it with a damp sponge again. And here I'm setting up my liquid products with my pressed powder. Here I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me pressed powder shade 220 Natural Beige. Now I'll be using this blue tone on my crease with a crease brush. Just slightly go over your crease like this in a circular motion to make a transition shade. Repeat the same process on the other eye. Now start blending it with the round fluffy blending brush. I got a query of how you will come to know that your blending is perfect. So the answer is just keep on blending your color till you achieve the soft look. You can easily compare that blending part and that harsh part, and here you can see the difference. The eye on which I'm doing the blending right now is going to be on the softer side, and the other eye, which is unfinished, you can see there are still harsh lines. So in short, if there is no harsh line, the blending is perfect. And just keep this thing in mind that you have to do blending with a soft hand, or you don't have to apply the pressure while doing blending. Because if you are doing your blending with a hard pressure or you are applying too much force on it, then more product from your brush can transfer into your eye. So your blending will not be perfect. And now I'm taking a dark blue shade from the palette which I've used earlier and applying it on my outer corner of the eye. I'll be blending it with my round fluffy brush. Just go round and round and round, and you'll see the difference on the blended side and on the unfinished side. And here you can see the difference. Just go over your crease with the same color. And now I'll be doing half cut crease. You can find how to do cut crease on my channel. I'll be putting link in the description box. Repeat on the other eye. Just tap like this to make the edges softer. And now I'm filling up the cut crease part with this yellow golden shade. This shade has a bit of sparkle. And here I'm darkening up the outer edge of my eye with the same shade of blue. And here I'm giving it a soft fluff, not a full blending, just a soft fluff. And now I'm putting up my highlighter on the eyebrow bone. Now here comes the eyeliner. It's totally up to you that you want a thin liner, a bold liner, a winged eyeliner, or a normal eyeliner. Like, it's totally up to your choice. I'll be doing winged eyeliner. If you want to learn how to do winged eyeliner, there's a video on my channel. I'll be putting link in the description box. You can find it there. And here I'm giving a soft smoky look. Just take a small, very small amount of black eyeshadow into your brush and just dab over your outer shadow to make a little smoky effect. So this is my eyes are looking as of now. And after that, with the help of a face cleansing wipe or makeup remover wipe, I'm just cleaning up my edges, or you can say I'm sharpening up the edges of my eyeshadow. And here I have started doing my face makeup, and I'll be completing my rest of eye makeup after my foundation base. And here I'm applying my primer. And now here comes the color correction. I have sort of dark pigmentation around my mouth area and under my eyes. So I'm just putting orange concealer. It is important to color correct your skin, because if you don't, then the makeup from that area will look gray or dark or uneven. I'm blending it with a damp sponge. After blending your orange color corrector, you might look like an orange fruit. Just don't worry, it's just you're preparing your skin to get the flawless look. Now I'm applying my foundation, Maybelline New York's Fit Me Foundation, shade 250 Sun Beige. Start blending it with a damp beauty blender. Take your time to blend the foundation. If your foundation is not blended properly, then your skin or your makeup will look patchy. And for sure you don't want that, right? So just blend your foundation with patience. And here I'm putting the concealer, on which I'll be further using my highlighter. Blend it well with a damp beauty blender or a damp sponge. And here I'm doing my contouring with a cream stick. You can find how to do contouring and highlighting the easiest way on my channel. Just blend it with a damp sponge. Now I'm setting up all liquid products or cream products on my face with my pressed powder. And here I'm using Maybelline New York's Fit Me 220 Natural Beige. And as my foundation base is done, so here I'm completing my eye with a winged eyeliner. And as I told you earlier, you can find a winged eyeliner tutorial on my channel. After that, I'll be completing my inner corner. Just imagine a line from where it ends and just put a dot. And from that dot, connect your eyeliner like this. You can clearly see the difference here. Repeat this technique on the other eye. And now I'm filling up my lower lash line with my favorite kohl, that is Rimmel London's Scandalize kohl, and this is waterproof. And here I'm giving a finishing touch to my eyeliner and to my kohl. I'm just connecting everything, every single line with the help of an eyeliner brush and a gel eyeliner. Don't forget to fill up your inner corner like this. Now I'll be applying my mascara, and I'm using Maybelline's the Falsies Lash Lift. And now I'm doing my powdered contouring. You can find the detailed video of how to do highlighting and contouring on my channel. And now I'm putting up my blush. Just smile a bit and put on your apple of your cheeks. And here comes the highlighting. As I have applied false lashes, so I'm just finishing up with my liner on its top. Now take a face cleansing wipe and Gently rub over your lips and give them a little massage so that the foundation or any extra cream product will be cleaned up. Let's do the lips. Take a lip liner, just go over your lips edges. And now I'm using Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink shade 15 Lover. It's a transfer proof shade and you can wear it till 16 hours. So here we are done with our full transformation party or wedding makeup tutorial. I'm gonna put up my jewelry, my dress and my hair. So let's get ready. If you have any queries regarding makeup or beauty, or you want to learn more techniques, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you all through my videos. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more video tutorials like this, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. I'll see you soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay safe. And thanks for watching.